Multilogin is a reliable tool that lets you manage your accounts from one place with location-specific proxies. In this video, we'll create a browser profile using an Israeli proxy. Let's get started. Start by opening your Multilogin workspace. This is the place where you will create, view, and manage your profiles. Click Create to start a new browser profile. Next, you need to name your profile. Use pre-made cookies for the target site if needed to make the session behave like a returning user. Add tags and notes to group profiles by client, campaign, or region. Choose the Startup tab, Browser Core, Storage, and OS. Mobile profile emulation is also available if you need to work with mobile-first sites. Open the Proxy tab, select the connection type, residential or mobile, and choose the protocol. Choose Israel as the location for your proxies. You can also select a specific region for more precise targeting. City targeting is also available to give you full control over location settings. If needed, pick an ISP to match network signals for that city. Click Check Proxy to confirm the IP and location are correct. Go to the Fingerprint tab and set device signals like WebRTC and timezone. Click Create to save the profile with its proxy and settings. The profile is ready. Use it on sites like Instagram, Facebook, or local services that require Israel-based access. If you use these settings often, create a proxy template to reuse them. Click Create to add a new proxy template. Enter your proxy details, then click Create to save the template. Your proxy template is now listed. Select it when creating new profiles to apply the settings instantly. Now click Launch to open the profile using the proxy and configuration you saved. A verification window will appear. Confirm IP, region, and browser environment. After that, your Israel proxy profile is set and ready to use. Thank you for watching. With Multilogin, you can manage multiple accounts using Israeli proxies. Start your trial today and grow your business.